All right, so today we're going to be dropping the tank on a 2008 Jeep Liberty, which is also the same as the Nitros, the 2007 to 2014s. So to drop the tank, we've got a couple gas lines here, and these are squeeze connectors. Then you want to pull these two lines off on the front side of your tank. This first one we removed was pressurized, so there's gas, you see gas dripping. And the little button on top just presses down and out they slide. So all the fittings around the tank are like that. And then on the back side, up top, I'll squeeze this in here. You can see on top, and this is where I suspect the leak is, to pop and then remove your gas can fill, because I was getting some gasoline smelling odors here, and it was getting damp whenever I'd fill the tank. All right, you can see we got our little push clips off, and then we loosened our fill tank, and that hose clamp was a 7mm. And then there was one other larger clip which goes back to the evap canister, and then we're going to get ready to drop the tank now. So we have 15mm bolts up inside. So we're gonna remove those and ease the tank down. We have it up on a lift because this is pretty hard to do if you're on the ground. Now this bracket on the side of the tank we got to remove to drop it down so we can move it away from the drive shaft. So there's just two bolts holding that on. All right, so on the side here we had wire harness with one of those push-in connectors you had to pop out of the tank support. All right, so on top of the tank, the fuel pump, there's a red clip which slides to the side, and then press the tab to remove the electrical connector like that. And there we go. Now our tank is free. All right, so this is just showing what the top of the tank looks like. Here's where our feeder goes in, some of the lines, and then this piece. If you have anything broken on here, this comes with the tank. You cannot buy it separate. So you'll either have to buy a new tank or try to make something work. But this is where I was getting my leak, and we're trying to find where any leak is. This is where your fuel pump, and then other lines down here. This is all wet because it was raining. So this is the tank all removed. We're gonna look to see what our problem is and then put it all back in. All right, we couldn't find any cracks in anything, but it was questionable with the seal on top. So I took some Permatex, and this is gas, fuel resistant, and just filled it all around the lip. I hope that helps you.